Friends, hello. Today we will talk about an amazing technique that will simply blow up your idea of the entire branch of agriculture. Be ready, and we will begin. Have you heard of channel cleaners? And they are. These machines are designed to remove silt, dirt and debris from drainage channels and channels. This is not an independent equipment. It is intended for use with tractors. The main thing in the device is a disc shredder. What is in the ditch is either crushed or completely flies out of the ditch. Such discs are made of very durable metal, because you never know what can get stuck in the work area. Degel straw is a revolutionary machine designed to solve the problems of straw residues in the fields, weeding weeds and raking even flax straw. Patented light-pressure technology is at the heart of every stromist barron. Unlike other heavy barrons, the pressure of each section on the soil can be adjusted by hydraulic control from 0 to 862 kg per section. Additional hydraulic cylinders are installed on this machine, which help to synchronize the angle adjustments and ensure constant pressure for each section. It is noteworthy that all setup operations are performed directly from the operator's cabin. John Deere F. John Deere M is a truly versatile baler. It does an excellent job in conditions where tight deadlines require high performance and speed is essential. Many distinctive features make the F441M a reliable assistant. The baler F441M allows the operator to remove all types of crops on one baler, from sliding straw to a short sticky layer. Technology using a cam mechanism provides an effective solution for such needs. The traditional design of the colliders reduces the space between the picker's fingers and the rotary feeder, and the movement of the fingers helps to avoid pinching. These machines are equipped with a picker with a width of up to 2 meters 20 centimeters and galvanized colliders to increase the service life. 4 finger bars mounted on insulated ball bearings and equipped with fingers with a diameter of 5 mm provide an optimal selection volume for small and medium-sized farms. Plastic mulch soil mulching is a well-known agritechnical technique that allows you to protect profits. The fact is that in this way the most favorable microclimate is formed. The film and tunnel stacker is designed for mulching the soil with film or covering material, as well as for laying drip irrigation tape. Such machines are very tolerant to tuning. You can always replace a pair of wheels, adjust the height and plant berries instead of corn. It is also possible to install wheels for punching holes in the film for planting seedlings. If you try very hard, then such a machine will even be able to form beds. The area of application of such a device is fields with a slight slope in a temperate climate. Probably, if you have watched up to this point, then you are interested in the video. And the best way to support the team of authors of this channel is to like and subscribe. Comments are also welcome. Tenko is 1320. What is a field without a wrapper? Someone like Tenko 1320? It is the most stable and fastest trailer and packaging machine on the market. At the touch of a button, the winding machine automatically moves from the road position directly behind the tractor to an offset position for working in the field. The patented cat-and-start telescopic system expands 3 times compared to the resting state, extending and then retracting to assemble the film into one strand. After the film is assembled and held, the film is trimmed, resulting in an ultra-reliable system that you can be sure of. The machine is built to the highest standards, and it uses a hydraulic speed control system. This means that hydraulic functions, such as the speed of the winding lever, can be smoothly adjusted to rise and fall. This in turn ensures a smoother and more stable winding operation, which leads to a reduction in vibration and an increase in the service life of the machine. Big Bat 747. The largest agricultural tractor Big Bat 16847 returned to work in the field in Montana. After a long downtime, the machine entered farmland with a high-performance chisel plow with a working width of 24 meters. The unit has been proud of the title of the largest agricultural tractor in the world for 40 years. Under the hood of the Big Bat 16 tractor, a 16-cylinder diesel engine with a volume of 24 liters and a capacity of 1,100 horsepower is installed in 747. The drive is equipped with 2 turbochargers. At this power, the tractor has an impressive fuel tank with a volume of about 4,000 liters. Big Bat 16 at 747 weighs 50 tons and has more than impressive overall dimensions. The length is 8.2 meters, the height is 4.3 meters, the width, taking into account the twin tires, is 9 meters. This copy was released in 1977 year and cost about $300,000. Taking into account the current exchange rate of the US currency, such a tractor will cost farmers more than $1,300,000. Recently, the high-performance Big Bat 16 machine in 747 could only be seen in a museum, because the tractor was immobilized for a long time for a rather banal reason: old tires could not be replaced with new ones. Because their manufacturer went bankrupt some time ago and none of the leading companies were engaged in the production of agricultural tires with a width of 1/4 of a meter. This problem was solved only this year, when the tire manufacturer Goodyear, which is part of the Titan, sponsored 8 new tires LSW 1400 by 30P 46 for the giant tractor. The new twin tires received a height of 2 meters and a width of 35 meters. After replacing the tires, the owners of the equipment decided to test the tractor in directly difficult field conditions. To do this, the Big Bat was aggregated with a chisel plow with a working width of 24 meters. The unit is equipped with 8 to 10 working elements at once. During the tests, the tractor processed about 1,200 hectares with an average working speed of 8 kilometers per hour. Flame Wyron organic farmers are returning to an unusual means of weed control: fire. This process is called flame weeding. This method of weed control uses a small handheld flamethrower or a row of flamethrowers in the back of the tractor. Flame Engineer Incorporated specializes in the development and sale of weed control equipment and claims that this method is based on scientific data. The company's website explains that this method is not intended to destroy weeds by burning them, but is more focused on destroying the structure of cells. Although flame weeding may seem like a 21st century solution, the first agricultural flamethrower was patented in 1852. However, it was only in the 1940s that the flame became an effective means of controlling weeds in the fields of cotton, sugar cane, corn and other crops. Until 1965, about 25,000 flamethrowers were used for commercial purposes, but when herbicides became popular, weeding almost completely disappeared. However, herbicides and pesticides used to control weeds have long-term effects. Spraying crops with herbicides can quickly destroy weeds, but this raises concerns about their environmental impact. These chemicals can affect people, other plants, animals, water and soil, even if they are not the purpose of this measure. Recently, gardeners and farmers interested in non-chemical weed control have been turning to weeding. It is reported that this method is much more environmentally friendly than chemical alternatives. When a plant dies, it mixes with the soil and does not harm other plants. OXBO 4334. OUX by OU is pleased to announce the new Model 4334, one of the most interesting agricultural machines. This is a self-propelled Focovattle machine equipped with a conveyor. As the manufacturer says, this is a new level in the aspect of roll control and the quality of the final product. The machine is equipped with a 41-inch high windproof casing. It keeps a light crop in the conveyor operation area. The machine has a high level of control. The controls are simple and intuitive. Almost all operations are performed with a joystick. The cabin has climate control with a seat and air suspension. With such a machine, it is really easy to do the work, which consists in forming strips that will be picked up by pickup machines. Also, the Wolfman turns over the hay, as a result of which it dries much faster. Well, we thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. You can always leave your opinion, suggestions and ideas in the comments. We really would like to get feedback, dear viewer, but for now we say goodbye to you of this video.